I'm hiking around in Lake Louise, and this is a trail that leads to a beautiful little tea house perched in probably the most scenic spot in the area. That small peak over there is called Little Beehive, and it's kind of self-explanatory where the name came from. Check out these views. This is just unreal. You don't need Lord of the Rings or any other crap like that. This is where the imagination becomes reality, and it's all right there. Just when you think that hiking around here cannot possibly get any better, you discover a place like this and get going again. This place is fantastic. After almost 50 minutes of hiking, here's the tea house, the Little Beehive, and Lake Agnes behind me, and I need a snack. All this exercise, I've got massive munchies. Oh.
Here's your dessert.
Whoa, look at that. Wow. This is beautiful. That's all the carbs you need to go up the Little Beehive up there. No time to waste. That mountain is not going to climb itself. Couple more meters and we're there. All right, getting there. But I'm surprisingly out of breath, despite all the exercise I've been doing. Whew. And this is what Lake Louise looks like from the top of the Little Beehive. Made it up. Now, where's my defibrillator? And I might need some oxygen. Nice view of Mirror Lake down below. That one there is Fairy Mountain, and the snow cap poking behind it belongs to Mount Temple. This is just a wonderful view and perfect spot for another snack. This is a place for a Facebook photo. Oh yeah.